If you want reliable, uninterrupted recording for your vehicle security, choosing the right memory card matters. The best SD card for a dash cam ensures smooth video capture, extended durability, and dependable performance in extreme temperatures and continuous write cycles. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Lexar 1TB Blue Micro SD Card. If you're looking for a high-capacity, ultra-reliable memory card for your dash cam or mobile devices, the Lexar 1TB Blue Micro SD Card stands out as a top-tier choice. Powered by UHS-I technology, this card boasts blazing read speeds of up to 160 megabytes per second, allowing you to quickly transfer full HD and 4K UHD video files without lag or frustration. While actual performance may vary based on your hardware, pairing it with Lexar's 2-in-1 USB 3.1 card reader can unlock its peak speeds, making file management far more efficient. One of the most impressive features is its premium media support. With up to 2 TB capacity options and a video speed class 30 V30 rating, this card handles 4K video recording smoothly, ensuring you capture crisp, clear footage whether you're documenting a scenic drive or keeping an eye on the road for safety. The large storage space means you won't have to worry about running out of room, even during long trips or when using high-resolution recording settings. Beyond performance, the Lexar 1TB Blue Micro SD card is engineered for durability. It's rigorously tested to endure 8 harsh conditions, including extreme temperatures, water immersion, IPX7, shocks, drops, vibrations, magnetism, X-ray exposure, and wear resistance. This ensures your dashcam recordings remain safe and accessible no matter where your travels take you.
Number 2. Lexar E-Series 128GB Micro SD. The Lexar E-Series 128GB Micro SD is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a dependable, mid-capacity memory card for their dashcam, smartphone, tablet, or action camera. This card delivers wide compatibility, making it ideal for various recording and storage needs, whether you're capturing your road trips or streaming full HD content. Designed to handle modern media demands, the Lexar E-Series supports 4K Ultra UHD recording and playback, ensuring crisp, high-definition video capture. With UHS-I technology, it offers transfer speeds up to 100 megabytes per second, enabling fast data transfers and app loading with its A1-rated performance. Whether you're moving large video files or running apps from your SD card, it delivers reliable, smooth performance. What makes this card especially convenient is its versatile capacity options, ranging from 32GB to 512GB. The 128GB version can store approximately 6 hours of 4K video, 20 hours of 1080p footage, 37,600 photos, or over 19,000 songs. This makes it an outstanding value for those who need ample space without overspending. Built for tough environments, the Lexar E-Series Micro SD card is waterproof, shockproof, temperature-proof, and magnetic-proof. These protective features ensure your dashcam or action camera footage remains intact even in less than ideal conditions, providing confidence during off-road adventures or extreme weather scenarios. Though it doesn't feature the highest specs available on the market, its balance of performance, durability, and price makes it one of the best value options, especially for those who need consistent, dependable storage for daily driving or hobby videography.
Number 3. Vantrue 512GB microSDXC. Designed with high-capacity video recording in mind, the Vantrue 512GB microSDXC card is a smart option for dashcam users requiring reliable, extended recording capabilities. With read speeds up to 100 megabits per second and write speeds up to 90 megabits per second, this card ensures seamless video capture without dropped frames or lag, supporting both 4K and 1080p full HD resolutions effortlessly. Classified under UHS Speed Class U3 and Speed Class 10, this memory card meets the rigorous demands of modern dash cams and surveillance setups. Whether you're recording long highway drives or daily commutes, it delivers consistent performance, with actual results influenced by your device's hardware and file sizes. What sets the Vantrue microSD card apart is its rugged build. It uses high-performance chips and is built to withstand water, magnetic fields, X-rays, high and low temperatures, and shocks. This ensures your critical dashcam footage remains safe under extreme conditions, from sweltering dashboards to icy overnight parking. Compatibility is another strong point for this card. It works seamlessly with a wide range of devices beyond dashcams, including CCTV systems, smartphones, tablets, drones, Nintendo Switch, and action cameras. The included SD adapter makes transferring video files to computers and other devices convenient and efficient.
Number 4. ROVE Ultimate microSD card. When it comes to dashcams and high-performance recording equipment, the ROVE Ultimate microSD card is a standout option. This memory card promises extreme read and write speeds, reaching up to 170 megabytes per second and 100 megabytes per second respectively, ensuring that 4K UHD video files and high-resolution images are captured and transferred smoothly. Equipped with Class 10, U3, microSDXC, A2, and V30 video class ratings, it's specifically engineered for devices requiring high-speed, reliable memory. This makes it perfect not just for dash cams, but also drones, action cameras, security cameras, and smartphones. The package even includes a high-speed USB Type-C card reader with USB 3.2 Gen 1 support, a valuable addition for quick file transfers directly to your computer or laptop that support USB-C connections. Overall, the ROVE Ultimate microSD card is an exceptional product for users demanding top-tier performance and durability from their dashcam storage solution. With its combination of cutting-edge speed, rugged build, and thoughtful extras like the included card reader, it stands as one of the best choices in its class. Number 5. ROVE PRO Micro SD. The ROVE PRO Micro SD card is a high-performance storage solution tailor-made for those who rely on dashcams, action cameras, drones, and smartphones for capturing 4K UHD content. With its excellent balance of speed, durability, and affordability, this card offers an impressive feature set for everyday users. Delivering read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second and write speeds of 90 megabytes per second, it ensures smooth 4K and full HD video recording without dropped frames. Classified under Class 10, U3, microSDXC, A2 app performance class, and V30 video class, it caters to the rigorous demands of modern devices requiring high data throughput and app performance. Designed for maximum durability, the ROVE PRO card undergoes stringent testing for water resistance, temperature endurance, temperatures endurance from minus 25 degrees to 85 degrees during operation, wear out protection, drop proofing from heights of 1.5 meters, and X-ray resistance equivalent to 100 milligram airport scanners. This makes it a reliable option for use in extreme environments. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.